Hello my Stitchlings and welcome back to my channel. As you can probably tell, I've been super sick. So we've missed quite a few days of opening our yarn advent calendar. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna go ahead and open up a couple days of it, play some catch up, and I'll play catch up in my next video as well so that we can get back on track. So sorry about that, but it was like the literal plague. I'm not the only teacher out sick at my school. All the kids are out sick. It's craziness. So we're just trying to get to break. And here we are with 8. Well, this is totally giving Easter peeps. That's all I can think of. Maybe I'll make a peep. Those were going pretty viral during Easter. Or maybe a little baby chick would be cute. We did already make a bunny, so maybe let's make a chick. I am pleasantly surprised, but this might be one of my favorites we've made so far. This little chickie came out so cute. I absolutely love it. It's a little stress blob. I, again, will probably be making more of these. Thank you so much for hanging in there and waiting for me, and I hope we will be on our regular schedule from now on. Knock on wood. I was really hoping I wasn't gonna get sick when I planned to do this originally, and of course without fail it happened. But thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're having a happy holiday season. Bye.
What should I put at the end of my video?